What's up, you guys? It's Shane from Learnerpreneur.net, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add text to different parts of your TikTok video. So you may have been filming your TikTok, you know that you can add text to your TikTok video directly within the TikTok app, but you can only add it to one spot, and that text goes through the entire video, and if you want to change it up, it doesn't work. So here's a cool free way that you can do that. You're going to need a different app. It is called YouCut. So go ahead and make your TikTok like normal, either using the app or film a video on your phone and save it for later. Then go, if you're on an Android device, go to the Google Play Store and get yourself an app for free called YouCut, Y-O-U-C-U-T. I already installed it, of course, and I've got it right here. When you open it up, it's going to look similar to this. Click on the plus sign down at the bottom of the screen, and you can click on New Project. I have some drafts there from some previous videos. Now select the video that you want to edit. We'll just choose this one right here. Click on the orange arrow, bottom right hand corner of the screen. And here is the video editor. Now they got some pretty cool functionality here. You can trim it, add some music, filters, effects, text, stickers, speed, change the background. You can do a voiceover, adjust the volume, rotate it, flip it, crop it, and a whole bunch of other stuff. For this example, we will just add some text. You can go down to the bottom of the screen. Here's your timeline for your video. You just kind of swipe left and swipe right to get to the point in the video where you want to get to. If you need to be more detailed, you can pinch and zoom your timeline to get right in close and add it exactly where you want. I'm just going to kind of put it right here. Makes sense. Now click on text, and it's going to give you a text box. Write the text that you want to write. Now keep in mind you can choose different text than I have chosen there by clicking the letters right down at the bottom and then just kind of swipe up, swipe down. You can see some pretty cool choices they already have in there for you. I kind of like this blackout 2 a.m. thing. You can also change the color. Swipe to the left, swipe to the right, whole bunch of different colors. We'll use, how about red? And you can change the opacity if you want to make it kind of transparent. Just slide this little bar. You can change the label by adding some other cool stuff to it. So it's got like a little background on it. Change the color. You can change the border, make it like a black border, red border, whatever. Really the choices are limitless. That looks pretty ugly now. I'm messing around with it. And you can add a shadow. So if you want to add like a drop shadow type thing. And when you're all done with this, of course, keep in mind that you want to choose this font, this color. You can also add some animations if you like. Click the little star thing up there, and you can see what it will look like. So it just kind of slides right in. You can adjust the time with this little arrow thing here to make it go quicker or slower. And you can swipe through and change what the effect is. So there's a whole bunch of cool things that you can do with this. You can loop it, and you can change the in effect and the out effect by going down to the bottom there and just clicking on in and out. Pretty sweet. When you're all done playing around with it and you got the text looking exactly the way that you want it to look, click the orange check mark. That'll bring you back to this page where you can kind of play and see what it will look like in action. Now you can also extend this, go to the text itself and click on that little orange arrow thingy down in the bottom right hand corner, and you can pinch and zoom and rotate it all over the place, which is kind of cool. You can copy it. Oh, there it goes. I was like, what happened? You can copy it. So now there's two of them. And you can actually go down to the timeline, go to the little blue bar thing, click on that, and you can adjust how long the text will be on the screen, which is kind of cool. So for instance, if you go through your timeline, you play it, there is two, now there's one. And that's pretty cool, right? Click on it again, you can bring it back again. If I could figure it out. There it goes. It's a little hard to get in close with it with my thumbs. There you go. All right. Now to add more text to different parts of your TikTok video, just go to the second part of the screen where you want to add some text. All right. Click the little arrow there on the left to return to the home screen, and then you can click on text, and you can just add some more text. Oops, if I could spell. You can change the font, same way. You know, we don't have to use the same exact font. You can change it up. And you can download more free fonts, change the color again, and so on and so forth. We can add some zooms. When you're done, click the check mark. The options are really limitless with this, and you can do a whole bunch of other stuff in addition to adding text to different parts of your TikTok video. When you're all set with your changes, just click the save right at the top right-hand side of the screen. Click save. I'm saving in a lower quality, but you can, of course, up the quality. Now, there are ads with this free app. So down at the bottom, it'll light up close when you can officially stop watching this ad. Click close. Now it's converting your video. It's pretty quick on the low quality, but it does take a little bit longer on the high quality. Now from this screen, it's pretty cool. You can actually share it directly to TikTok. You can, of course, back out of this, open up TikTok, and then just upload it. But for the purposes of this example, click on the share button. It says other. And this is all on an Android device. I don't know if it looks different on your device. It's got TikTok right there. Just click on TikTok. It'll open up TikTok. And here we are right at the pre-post screen. You can see the text. It's giving me a little preview of my video. You know the drill. Click next. And that's it. You can add some more text if you want, voiceovers, the whole deal. I hope this video helped you on how to add text to different parts of your TikTok video. If it did, smash that thumbs up button for me. If you haven't already, subscribe and watch this video right here to learn more cool tricks with TikTok. Thanks for watching. Take care.